at 20 knots, approximately 125 miles per hour. Passing through 80 knots, we do a cockpit check and everything looks good. Our decision speed is we just reached, and now we're going to hit rotation speed, and here we go. Smooth climb, up to 15 degrees nose up, and proper alignment, raise the gear.
Well, the gear on my side's up. How about yours?
That's up on my side as well.
As you're climbing out now in the C-9, you're going to be staying in a close pattern work. Of course, normally you'd be headed out to one of many, many foreign destinations.
Okay, left here, Mr. Parker, this time the power has gone to smooth flow. I can see right here,
Revisit to the cockpit of the F-14. That's the only F-14 in the United States where the public can actually get into the canopy. It's a recently retired F-14 that came up from Foxworth and joined our display. Flying F-14.